Greeting, guys. So this is what I'm looking at today. But before then, let's recap what happened yesterday. So when I did my analysis yesterday, gold were somewhere here. We were somewhere, and I told you guys that if gold didn't take out this level and drop and do something like this, take out here, come back, we should look for a buy. Or if gold take out this zone, then come back for it, we should look for a buy as well. Our source should be here. So I told you that this will be the first entry and the second entry will be here. So this is what I said, and gold played out exactly the same because it took out this high, then come back to this first entry and flies. But unfortunately, this thing came to this zone at midnight by 2 a.m. I didn't take the trade. The first, it tested this zone by already 4 a.m. at 4 p.m. Very getting late. I didn't take it then. Then it later dropped again by 2 a.m. So I missed this trade. I didn't take it. I missed it, but it played out really well. So what I'm looking at today is this. This is this resistance here you are seeing. There is also a daily bearish engulfing and 4 hours bearish engulfing at this the same zone. So I believe that if gold get to this support, the resistance is going to drop to this support, then take out this high. So I don't know if I will take a sell if gold get to here. I'm still contemplating with it, but there is, you can see it. There is bearish engulfing here. E plus E setup is here, and on daily time frame, see the same thing. There is bearish engulfing here. So my expectation now is to sell gold if you get to this resistance. Then I will target this bullish engulfing on 1 hour time frame, and on 4 hours time frame there is also a bullish engulfing there. There's also E plus E setup there. So that's my what is it called analysis to do, or what I'm thinking. Sell here and take profit here and buy here. Target the next profit will be above this. Because that's how this gold is moving right now. You can see that you get to this zone and drop back. It's not taking out any of all these lows. I know that these lows now, they are liquidities. One day gold will just run down to it to take out all those liquidities. It might run down one day. Who knows the day? I don't know, but to take out all the liquidities. I know it will happen. But before then, we have to trade. So I'm expecting it to get to here, then come back to this zone for a buy. So whatever you are doing here, your stop loss should be below here. Then target above this because it must definitely take it out. Then this is another scenario for a sell. If you could not be able to enter from here, if you see something like this, you can take a sell to here. Then this zone will be your entry for sell. because gold might still give this type of pattern. Just that the movement of gold for now is just it looks somehow different, as in the movement totally different from what it has been doing, maybe let me say since 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. The movement now is somehow different, but we have to find a way to follow it up. But this is what I'm thinking now. If I didn't get in here, then if I see any higher high, lower high, and higher low, then if you take out the lower low, come back to retest, I will sell to target this zone. Then if you get to this zone, definitely here will be direct entry straight up. Immediately it's coming to this zone is direct entry. I would say I will buy here and my stop will be here. Then target somewhere here. But if gold, because somebody know what might happen, if gold fail to come down or fail to sell, that okay, this buy is going to continue from here, then I'll be looking for something like this, like higher high and lower high, then let go take out the higher high, then come back somewhere here to somewhere here for a buy. Then we go buy from, then we look for a buy here. Look for a buy from here. Hope you guys understand. Let's see, just get this maybe higher high anywhere there is this higher high. I don't know where it might get to, but immediately you see that immediately a drop, give you lower high, then take out the higher high, let it come back to this zone, then look for your entry and buy. Because if gold want to continue trending, but nobody know when the trending will continue, it might start giving us higher high and lower high and higher high and lower highs to keep moving up. So this is another scenario I might use to take a buy if gold fail to come to this zone that I'm looking to buy it. So if you look at this zone, there is different setup here right now. There is there is SRR here. This is the support, resistance. You take it out, so it will come back to the support, then fly. So there is SRR here setup, and there is E plus E setup here as well. So there is a lot of setup here for this buy. So let's just see how this will play out today. This week I've not even really taken any trades. I don't know, the movement is somehow. I only took a trade here on Tuesday, I think. Yeah, on Tuesday, and on Wednesday you get to this zone, which the analysis I did on Wednesday, I was expecting gold also to drop from this same zone. So I'm telling you, because of the E plus E setup for a sell on 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, which gold dropped. But that on Wednesday, I was expecting it to get to this particular resistance before it will start dropping, but it respected this resistance line I drew here over a month ago, over 2 weeks ago. I drew this, it respected it and dropped. Then I closed my entry. I think it was somewhere here. That's when I closed my entry. When it hits this resistance and started dropping, when I see this second candle, I just closed my entry from somewhere here on Wednesday. So that's the only trade I've taken this week. Only one trade. The buys. That's the only trade I've taken this week. I didn't take another trade this week. And This one played that way, but it happened in the midnight as well. I didn't take it because if you watch my analysis, I told you guys that this zone will be the first entry and this will be the second entry and the stop will be here, which he played out. But I didn't take the trade because it happened at midnight. And this the same thing again. The major move started at midnight and here was around 4 already as in already getting to the evening, already getting to evening as in my country. It's like 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. safe. So that's why I didn't take the trade. So let's see how it will play out today. Just that now gold usually come to the zone at late hour, like after New York session. Because I usually love to trade London session and New York session, but anything after New York session, I don't like trading it. So I don't know why. Usually come to the zone I'm looking at when the New York session is over. But let's see how this will play out. I hope gold will get to this zone before New York session or in this London session we are now. So I can take a buy from here. Or if you can give us as in lower high and take out this higher high, then we can look for a buy somewhere here. But let's just keep watching and see what gold might do, guys. Stay safe and God bless.